Mindsmith AI has just hit the market, and it's already sparking massive interest in the AI community. But what exactly is this new tool, and is it worth the hype? In this Mindsmith AI review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know, especially if you're looking to stay ahead in the AI game. Stick around till the end because I'm going to share my top insights on how it could revolutionize your digital strategy. First up, Mindsmith AI isn't just another tool trying to grab attention. It's a comprehensive, all-in-one platform that can help businesses automate processes, enhance creativity, and drive efficiencies that were once thought impossible. It's particularly strong in data-driven content creation, which makes it stand out from other AI software solutions. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or an entrepreneur, this tool's features are tailored to streamline your workflow. Now, let's talk about customization. Mindsmith AI allows users to create highly tailored content, which is crucial in today's competitive digital landscape. It understands nuances in writing and adapts to various tones and styles, making it a solid choice for everything from blog posts to social media copy and email campaigns. But what really sets it apart is the level of control it gives you over these outputs. Unlike other platforms, Mindsmith AI lets you fine-tune the AI's output, giving you an extra layer of personalization that you won't find in many alternatives. Another major selling point is its data integration capabilities. Mindsmith AI connects seamlessly with other platforms like CRM systems and analytics tools, allowing for a deeper understanding of your audience. This makes it incredibly powerful for marketers who want to create content that resonates and drives engagement based on real-time data. And for those of you who are trying to optimize your strategies, this AI tool has predictive analytics built right in, so you can stay ahead of trends and understand what will work before you even publish. When it comes to ease of use, Mindsmith AI doesn't disappoint. The interface is intuitive, making it accessible even for beginners who may feel overwhelmed by other complex AI tools. Setting up workflows and automating content creation is straightforward, so you won't waste valuable time learning how to use the platform. Plus, its scalability means that whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, Mindsmith AI can grow with you. Now, one of the most important factors to consider is pricing. While there are free trials available to test it out, it's essential to know that Mindsmith AI is a subscription-based service. That said, it offers various pricing tiers that cater to different needs and budgets. But here's the good news. You can actually test out the software completely free from the first link below, so you can decide for yourself if it's worth the investment. I know what you're thinking. Is this software really as good as it sounds? The truth is, no AI software is perfect. There are a few minor limitations with the platform, especially when it comes to handling extremely complex tasks. However, for the vast majority of everyday users, these are negligible issues that don't take away from the overall experience. So, should you try Mindsmith AI? If you're looking for an AI tool that can streamline your content creation process, improve your marketing strategies, and give you real-time insights into your audience, this is definitely one to consider. Mindsmith AI has a lot to offer, and with the free trial, there's no reason not to test it out and see if it fits into your workflow. And before I go, don't forget to check the description below for my recommended AI software options. I've tried thousands of tools, and these are the ones that I can personally vouch for, offering the best value for your time and money. Remember, if you want to test out Mindsmith AI yourself, the first link below is your gateway to a free trial. So don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your digital strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.